Whether it is a friendship or a relationship, all bonds require trust. If you don't have trust, you have nothing. You heard somewhere that a good friend is always equals to a big library. Do you agree with me? Say yes in your comments. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ankit again. I'm here with my new topic, and the topic is power of relationship. Relationship doesn't between just two lovers. It can be in between anyone, your parents, your friends, your pet, your teacher, even with yourself. Loving yourself is the most important thing in your life. You can't see the power of relationship with these eyes. You can only feel the impact of it. The foremost requirement of any relationship is trust. Trust is the base of that relationship. If you have the sound trust, then you can build empire on it. The other key factor in a relationship is honesty, dignity, persistence, and efforts to maintain that relationship anytime. If you have a good friend and you are going through a rough patch of your life, then that friend will encourage you, motivates you, and helps you to get out of that rough patch. It doesn't matter that how many friends you have in your life, but it always matters that how many quality friends you have. A bad woman always attracts you, but a good woman always motivates you, encourages you toward your dreams. She always be with you when you have nothing, when you are going through a rough patch. A good relationship always act as a catalyst in your life. It always increase the rate of success in your life. On the other hand, a bad relationship act as a poison in your life. It decreases the rate of success. It decreases the chances of success in your life. So, have always good relationship in your life. No matter how many relationships you have in your life, if you don't have good them. So, always be with good friends, have good relationship in your life. And one more thing, always follow Pareto rule. That means 80-20 rule. We also know that from that name. 80-20 rule means 80% of things will comes from just 20% of people. If we compare from our life, that means 80% of our happiness will always come from just 20% of people. So you always focus on those 20 people rather than those 80 people. But what we do, we always focus on those 80 people rather than those 20 people. So think about it. Always follow 80-20 rule and always be in a good relationship and maintain, get, try to get effort in any relationship, whether with your lover, with your friend, with your parents, anyone. So always be in a good relationship. Thank you.